Hey, it's Gamori, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the pendant that I got for my Rin Tohsaka cosplay. I got this from Amazon, primarily because Katsucon is in about 2 weeks, and I was hoping that it wouldn't have to ship from overseas, and with Amazon I could get this from Amazon Prime in 2 days, which was very helpful and relieved a lot of stress that I didn't have to worry about making this prop, and that it would arrive on time. So I got it from Amazon, and it came in this plastic bag, and then it has this cardboard thing that it's on. It's just slid into some plastic, and it's got Rin on the front, and I was really worried because it was less than $20, including the free shipping. I was really worried it was going to be pretty cheap, and the packaging definitely looks pretty cheap, and as you can see, the letters are cut off, and one of my favorite things about it is that if you take out the cardboard and flip it open, it's got Full Metal Alchemist inside, so they're definitely reusing packaging for products. But overall, the necklace itself, I'm pretty pleased with the quality, especially for the amount that paid for it. It has a nice plastic jewel, and doesn't really have a whole bunch of air bubbles in it, and it still looks pretty nice, catches the light pretty nicely. And as you can probably hear, the chain itself and this little piece that attaches it to the chain are actually metal. I was worried they were going to be just a silver plastic and were going to snap and break really easily, but it looks like they'll hold up okay. The jewel is a little bit wobbly, but it looks like it'll hold up for the sake of a photo shoot, which is my primary reason for getting it. So I hope you found this video helpful if you are planning on getting your own necklace for your Rin cosplay. I definitely think it fit the bill with what I was looking for. I will put a link to the item that I got in the description box below if you want to check it out. And for more videos on how to make the rest of Rin's outfit, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching!